Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super exciting video. As always, I'm going to be unboxing a brand new box from Plouise. But before we get into it, if you are new here, hello, welcome. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And don't forget to turn that notification bell on. I do upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays as well. Let's get into it. So Plouise has launched her first ever budget box. This will retail every single month for £30. It's not a subscription, it's like a one-off thing that you can get every month. And I managed to get it early because I'm part of her takeover Facebook group. Anyone can join it, like it's just like a Facebook group for Plouise, and they do like exclusive access, like early access on there. So this is £30, you don't know what's in it, and this is what she looks like. The next one looks unbelievable, so you best believe I'll be buying that one as well. So £30, let's see what's in it, let's see whether it's worth the money or not. So inside it I have 7 different products to show you. What I really like about this box as well is she mentioned that some of it will be full size, some of it will be like a miniature version, like little mini ones. All of my ones are full size from this month's one, which is really good. But also she puts in, if she can, some exclusive new products that haven't even been announced or launched yet, which is why I'm really excited for next month, because apparently there's going to be a mini palette in it. So I will try my best to get my hands on it and do a video unboxing. First up we have a little brush. This is the Plouise is cancelled in number 125. I could not find that for the life of me then. So this is just what it looks like, just a little angled brush. To be honest with you, I was kind of hoping I'd get like a blending brush or like a packing on brush or something. This won't be something that I would use all that often, but happy nonetheless. So in this month's box, you got to pick a brow colour. I went for espresso, right? Because hear me out. Every single brow product that's kind of like brown is warm toned, and my brows are very clearly cool toned. They've always been that way. So I picked espresso, which is basically like the black. But to be fair, I don't have it near me. My NYX brow mascara, that's in the shade black, and I absolutely love that. It's what I've got on today. So I'm hoping that this works okay for me. So in it is the eyebrow gel, which I've always been wanting to try but never really got around to buying it. Apparently the wand is massive, so let's have a little look. Yeah, it's like a mascara wand. Apparently I've seen it on their social media, they are bringing out a smaller wand option as well, so that's going to be interesting for my little skinny brows. See, that's in the spray in the shade Espresso, so it is quite a dark one, but it's cool toned, which is what I really like. I'd rather have to go in with a light hand and it be cool toned than trying to put something warm through my brows, because it just looks an absolute mess. So we got the brow gel, and then we also got the pencil as well, again in the shade Espresso. This is the Also Browtiful eyebrow pencil, and I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with this yet, so I'm not going to swatch it because I don't know if I'm ever going to use it. So I don't want to swatch it if I'm not going to use it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it just yet. But brow gel, I'm all for. That's my kind of thing. In this little bag, we have some bases. So there's 2 exclusive brand new shades in here. And then there's also the original base, but in a new shade that hasn't launched. So they had mentioned on their social media that they're going to be bringing out in-between shades. So say, for instance, I always use shade number 2. Shade number 1 is just a little bit too light for me. And shade number 2 probably is my skin colour, maybe a titch bit too dark, so it'd be really good for me to get like a 1.5. So in this one we've actually got a 2.5, which would be really good to see what that one's like. So this is also in the new packaging. So this is the new packaging for the base. It's normally in a black one, and this is the brand new pink one I absolutely love. I literally have just bought a little holder from Primark to put all of my Plouise bases in. I will show you it in my Primark video. It was going to go up tonight, but then this came, so I wanted to show you this first. So tomorrow it'll be a huge Primark haul. So yeah, shade 2.5 in that, which is really good. And then the other 2 bases that are in that little bag are brand new shades, which is really good. It means you're not getting duplicates if you do have a lot of Plouise anyway. So we have the first one, which is the shade Purple Passion. I'm not going to swatch this because I already know from Megan and some of my other patrons that this, and Becky as well, that this actually stains your hands. So I'm not going to be putting that on my hands until it's time for me to actually use it. But absolutely buzzing with that. A brand new shade, obviously something that I don't have in my collection. And then the other one is Keeping It Khaki, which literally looks like baby sick or poo or diarrhea. Like, it just looks, it looks icky, but it looks unbelievable as well. Like, it looks ugly, but it'll be gorgeous on, I just know. And I can't wait to put that together with like the Mimi Mitchell like green palette. Oh, gorgeous. And then last but certainly not least, which I am so happy with, this is one of the Plouise Base but for your lips, just like one of the lip bases, and this one is in the shade So You Can, which looks, I'm going to swatch this because this looks absolutely, comes with like a little applicator like that, and like the bases where it's like a squeezy tube. But this looks absolutely beautiful. I know quite a few people got the colour that I actually have bought, which will be coming up in a haul very, very soon. But this one, oh my god, it's actually quite similar to what I've got on now, isn't it? Really excited to try this. Smells very, very sweet. That colour is absolutely beautiful. I would have preferred to have like a proper nude, because when I bought my one previously, all the nudes were out of stock, so I got kind of like the nearest to the nude that I wanted. But that is gorgeous. Wow, absolutely beautiful. This whole box for £30 is actually crazy. We're getting 7 full-size Plouise products in it. Unbelievable. And the fact that next month's one has already had a little sneaky preview, and it's going to have a mini eyeshadow palette in it, and I think there's quite a few different, I think there's like maybe 2 or 3 different styles as well. I can't wait to get my hands on that, because it's a mini palette that hasn't even came out yet, hasn't even been shown or anything, so I'm so unbelievably excited. You best believe I'm going to try my best to get this box for as many months as possible. But yeah, that is everything. What do you think? Do you think it's worth the £30? I think it definitely is, especially if you are, I would say especially if you're new to Plouise, but I've got quite a lot. I'm looking over here because my bases are over here. I actually have quite a lot of Plouise's bases, yet everything that was in this box I don't have. It's all brand new stuff that I don't have in my collection, which is just absolutely amazing. So I'm very happy that I got this. Thank you so much for watching. I will hopefully see you tomorrow for my huge Primark haul. Love you all so much. I have missed you. I've missed uploading. I use liking these little lights that I've got in the background. I'm obsessed with them. They literally came today. So this is them in purple, and I can do red, I can do green, blue, like different variations of them. I can do orange. I can do like, I mean, that says it's yellow, but it's green, isn't it? Let's be serious. So yeah, I've been playing around with, there's blue, been playing around with these all day. And also has some little funky disco ones as well. So yeah, I've been having, as you can probably tell with my little remote, I've been having a lot of fun changing these lights today. I got them off Amazon. If anyone wants me to send them the link, just message me on Instagram. It's not affiliate, obviously, but just in case you are interested and you want to pick them up, because I love them. Absolutely love them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to our patrons for being absolutely beautiful people as always. And I hopefully will see you tomorrow for my Primark haul. Love you, bye.